Namaskar all the student, myself Umesh Kaur Shekhawat. Today I am going to teach a new topic in the solution. In the last video we already discussed about the definition of solution and the types of solution, what is the solute and the solvent and the different terminology. Okay, now the new topic in the solution, that is expressing the concentration of solution. What is the concentration and how can express, that is the main topic. Okay, now the what is the meaning of concentration, that is the related to amount. Okay, now the concentration of solutions means the composition it means that the जो भी solution है वो हमारा किससे बना हुआ है. नॉर्मली हम उसकी बात करते हैं तो कंसंट्रेटेड है. कंसंट्रेशन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो two terms by we can define the express the concentration, that is qualitative and the quantitative. Okay, so what is the meaning of qualitative? Qualitative it means that the quality of the solution, the two terms by which define the quality of the solution, that is dilute and the concentrated. What is the dilute and concentrated? Those type of solution in which the solute, the main term is solute. Those type of solution in which the solute are present in a less amount, okay, but the concentrated solution, those solution in which the solute are present in a large or higher amount, that is the dilute and concentrated. Okay, but that is this type of description is confusing because ये amount को clear नहीं कर पाता कि how much amount is of solute is present and how much amount of solvent is present in the solution. So the main term which very helpful for the calculating the concentrations of the solution, that is quantitative analysis. Quantitative it means that quantity, it means amount. Okay, now what is the quantitative analysis of the concentration? The amount of solute, present in the given quantity of solution or the solvent. It means that how much solute present in a solution or solvent, how much solvent, how much solute, by which we can calculate, we can obtain a accurate amount of solvent in the solution. Now in this topic, the quantitative analysis, by the many type of formulas we can obtain, we can calculate the concentration of the solute and the solvent in the solution. Now the first formula by which we can calculate the concentration of the solute and solvent both. Now the first formula is the mass percentage. Mass percentage means the percent by mass, means the mass of the solute in grams present in 100 gram of the solution. यानी हम क्या मान रहे हैं कि ये W by W, weight by weight है. It means that the solute and solvent both are present in the grams. Okay, now जो भी solute है in a grams, वो कितना present है 100 gram of the solutions, that is the mass percentage. That is mass percent of a component, जिसका भी हमें mass percent निकालना है, component that is the maybe the solute and maybe the solvent, is equals to mass of solute or solvent, जिसका भी हमें calculate करना है. If we want calculate the solute, then mass of solute will put here. If we can calculate the also calculate of the solvent. Now the total mass of solution, it means that the mass of solute plus mass of solvent, and percentage निकाले, it means multiply by the 100. Now for क्लोरीन वाटर। अब इसमें क्या होगा, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसमें क्वेश्चन में ये भी दोनों का ही कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, दोनों का पूछ भी सकता है क्वेश्चन में कोई। तो हम मास परसेंट ऑफ बेंजीन, मास परसेंट निकालना है, कैलकुलेट करना है बेंजीन के लिए भी और क्लोरीन के लिए। तो कैसे करेंगे, मास परसेंट ऑफ बेंजीन इक्वल्स टू मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट। मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट क्या है, सॉल्यूट क्या है, बेंजीन, एंड द सॉल्वेंट इज Cl2। सो mass of solute is 5 upon mass of solute plus mass of solvent. It means that 5 gram plus 95 gram. ग्राम्स में दिया हुआ है, जब हम बात करेंगे तो ग्राम ग्राम से कट हो जाएगा एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. It means that the 5% is the answer. That is 5% is the mass percent of the benzene. Now second, अगर हमें कैलकुलेट करना हो किसका, Cl2 का mass percent, then again put 5 ग्राम की जगह 95 अपॉन दैट 5 प्लस 95 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 एंड इक्वल्स टू 95%. That is the answer. Okay. Now the second. Now the second formula is the volume percentage. That is volume by volume. The percentage by volume means the volume of liquid, the volume of liquid solute. It means that solute क्या होगा, liquid होगा, liquid solute in ml. जब हम liquid की बात करते हैं तो हम किसकी बात करते हैं, volume की. Okay, volume present in 100 ml of the solution. यानी solute and solvent both are present in a liquid state. So the volume by volume, the volume percent of a component जिसका भी हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, मे बी द सॉल्यूट और मे बी द सॉल्वेंट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूट और मे बी सॉल्वेंट, जिसका कैलकुलेट करेंगे उसका वॉल्यूम पुट करेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन दैट इज सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. By this formula we can calculate the volume percentage of a component. हम उसका percentage, volume percent निकाल सकते हैं. Now the third is mass by volume. Mass by volume, it means that mass calculated in a as a weight, that in a gram, volume in a ml. Okay. Now that is weight by volume. The percentage by volume means the mass of the solute, mass of the solute, यहाँ पे solute के mass की बात करेंगे, mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml और सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, दोनों यूनिट्स यूज कर सकते हैं, of the solution, the mass by volume percent of a component, जिसका भी हम mass by volume कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, that is mass of component in solution, जो भी component कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं उसका mass आएगा in a gram. Okay, divided by total volume of the solution, जो भी total volume होगा solution का multiply by 100, by which we can calculate the mass by volume percentage of the solute or solvent. Now the fourth formula is the parts per million, that is ppm. What is the parts per million and what is the use of the parts per million? That is the degree of hardness of water is normally expressed in as a ppm. जो water की hardness होती है उसको किस में एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है, ppm में, और यूज किया जाता है फॉर द वेरी डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशंस के लिए. नाउ व्हाट इज द पार्ट्स पर मिलियन, द नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स बाय मास और वॉल्यूम, मास भी हो सकता है वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन कंपोनेंट, जिसका हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑफ वन कंपोनेंट per million parts by mass or volume of the solution. If we will calculate the for component 1, that is A, the ppm of A equals to the mass of A upon the mass of solution. जो भी हमारे पास में solution का mass होगा, solute plus solvent plus जो भी mass आएगा, is multiplied by the 10 raised to power 6. If calculate the ppm of B, then that is mass of B upon the mass of the solution and multiply by the 10 raised to power 6. By this we can calculate the values in converted into parts per million of component A and component B, and by which we can normally express the terms as a ppm, very for the express the hardness for the very dilute solutions. Now the next formula is the mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by the x, the ratio of the number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all the component present in the solution. It means the mole fraction is equals to number of moles of component. जिस भी component का calculate करना है उसका may be the solute or solvent upon moles in the solution. Total moles in the solution, it means solute plus solvent. Now if we will calculate the mole fraction for component A, maybe the A is solute and B is the solvent. So mole fraction of component A is equals to the number of moles of component A, that is solute, upon the number of moles of component A plus component B. Now for XB, that is mole fraction for the component B, that is solvent, is equals to number of moles of solvent upon the number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Now the sum of the mole fraction, that is XA plus XB, is always equal for the different components in the solution. The second thing is this mole fraction has no units. Unitless होता है, unit नहीं होती है, and the mole fraction is independent of temperature. Temperature पे depend नहीं करता mole fraction. Now the next point is the strength. The amount of solute in gram present in 1 liter. यानी 1 लीटर में कितना ग्राम amount solute present है. That is the strength. Strength is mass of solute in grams, जो भी solute होगा in grams में होगा, upon the volume of solution in liter. Now the unit is gram upon liter. It means that gram liter inverse may be the gram decimeter cube inverse. Now the question: if 4 gram of the solute are dissolved in 250 ml of the solution, then calculate the strength. So the strength equals to 4 gram of solute. Solute कितना है? 4 gram. कितने में? 250 ml. बट क्या हमें आंसर किस में लाना है? यूनिट क्या है इसकी? ग्राम लीटर इनवर्स, यानी लीटर में आंसर चाहिए. सो नाउ द 4 gram upon 250 ml 250 divided by the 1000 is the liter. Now the answer is 16 gram liter inverse. Now the next formula is the molarity. The seventh is molarity is denoted by the capital M. What is the molarity? The number of moles of solute, that is in a gram. The number of moles of solute in a gram dissolved per liter of solution. यानी 1 लीटर के अंदर कितना मोल्स solute के कितने मोल्स जो है उसमें dissolved है. That is the molarity. M equals to gram moles of solute upon the volume of the solution in liter. Now what is the gram moles of solute? Gram moles of solute is the mass of solute upon the molar mass of solute, and the unit is gram moles of solute is the moles, and the volume of solution in liter. ml में कन्वर्ट करना है इसको, जो लीटर है उसमें हम लीटर में दिया हुआ है तो लीटर में रहेगा, नहीं तो अदरवाइज अगर ml में है तो उसे हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे लीटर में. Now the unit is mole liter inverse or the mole decimeter cube inverse. Now molarity change with temperature. जो मोलरिटी होती है दैट इज चेंज विथ टेम्परेचर बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सपेंशन एंड और कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द लिक्विड विथ टेम्परेचर। जब हम टेम्परेचर देते हैं लिक्विड को तो उस कंडीशन में लिक्विड का क्या होता है, एक्सपेंशन होता है, में जो कंसंट्रेशन होता है उसके अंदर चेंज आती है विद द टेम्परेचर। Now the next point is molality. Molality is denoted by the small m. Molarity is denoted by the capital M and molality is denoted by the small m. What is the molality? Molality is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved per 100 gram of the solvent. Now small m, that is molality, is equals to moles of solute upon the mass of solvent in kilogram or gram. Now the moles of solute equals to mass of solute upon the molar mass of solvent, and the unit of moles of solute is equals to mole, and multiply by the 1000 upon weight is given in a grams. जब grams में होगा, किलोग्राम में होगा तो इस तरह से पुट करेंगे. Now the unit is mole kilogram inverse. Maybe if the given mass given in the gram, then the mole gram inverse. Now mass of solvent does not change with change in a temperature. टेम्परेचर पे मास का कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है, टेम्परेचर के साथ में मास में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. Now the today's homework is that calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 gram of NaOH dissolved in 450 ml of the solution. And the question number second is based on the molality. To calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid, that is acetic acid, maybe CH3COOH, in 75 gram benzene.